everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do Friday flowers, and today's flower is the poinsettia. It looks like this, so pretty. So I'm going to make it, and it's very easy to make. I'll show you the dies I'm using today. It comes from store on Aliexpress called Alinacutle. This is the set that I'm using today. And I'm also going to use this holly sprig. So what you'll need if you're going to make the size that is shown on this card is the middle size. So it's this size right here. So you just cut out 3 like this, and you'll need the stamen, which is this size right here. That's the bigger size in yellow. Actually, let me get the bigger size. I think it's this one. Let's see. Let's try the smaller one. Okay, so let's go with the small one in yellow, and you will cut up this holly sprig. Okay, so I'm going to use 3. I decided to use the McGill pad along with the McGill stylus set in this video. It just helps me tell you like what size millimeter stylus to use for embossing, and we'll go with that. So I'm just going to flip my flowers over. I'm going to be using this glue. It comes from the Dollar Tree. A lot of people ask me about this glue. It's really good glue. You can use any adhesive you like. So the millimeter size I'm going to be using today is the 6 millimeter. So it's right there. Okay, so we're just going to do some slight embossing. It's not really hard. It's just the layering. You can do so many flowers with this set, but we're just going to make the poinsettia flower today, and I'll show you what I do with the holly sprig to give it some color. I just thought it would look cute with the leaves. So we'll just do the embossing like so. This is really easy to layer it with 3 flowers. Okay, we'll just flip all 3 of these over and then press it in the middle like so. Okay, so that's what you have, and then this one just gets a slight embossing. Okay, get this one, give it some glue. Now if you want to put some glitter on it, that's fine. So we're just going to give it a slight offset like that. So that's how it looks so far. Then we'll give this one some glue. And then we'll offset it again to fill in the gap. And there you go. It's all put together really pretty. Then we'll give this one some glue. We'll just put 1 in the middle. You don't really have to layer it. And stick this down right here. And there is your flower, really quick and easy. So we're going to cut up this holly sprig into some pieces, so you'll just need some scissors. So I have cut up some of it so far. And you can snip off some of it so it doesn't show. And you'll need about 5, I think. Now I use some Nouveau Crystal Drops or Glitter Drops. Yeah, Nouveau Glitter Drops. And that gave it some added color on the little berries. So I have 4 right there. And then I'm going to do one more for my 5th sprig. If you want to give it a slight embossing, that's fine. You can turn it over and emboss those leaves. And I use the 4mm for that. Just so it has some type of dimension. And then I'll show you what I do with that. Okay, so with this, I just take a little bit of glue and we'll just glue it around the ends of the flower so it has a little bit of greenery, just like that. Then we'll put another one right about here. Could have it hanging off a little bit. Okay. So here's that, how it looks so far. And if you need to know where to find these fabulous products, I'll link them in the description box below. Okay, and then the last one. And I'll glue that one right here. And so that's how it looks, just like that. Okay, and so if you want to put it on a card or something and make it look really cute, let's see how this card would look. It may be too big, I have a smaller version. And do it like that. And so I have these Nouveau Crystal Drops, and when it dries it looks like this ruby red is what it's called. So I'm going to just add a little bit of the Nouveau Crystal Drops right here, and right here, and right here. And there you have it. So when it dries, it'll look really, really pretty. And then if you want to use this same glue It's like a glitter. It says dimensional details. You can add it on the flower too if you like, or you can just use glitter, which I use glitter for the flower, but you can use the glitter Nouveau drops if you want to add the details to the flower. But that's how you make this flower look like this. Really, really pretty. So I hope you found that helpful and you'll give it a try. Really quick Friday flowers for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a fabulous day.